Ahead to Watson, to the rim, to dunk with two. 47-27, Bulldogs on top, nearing a 5-second violation. How about a steal by Deshaun Taylor? Ahead to Watson, to the rim, to dunk with two. 49-27, Bulldogs. Deshaun Taylor does it again with D. 5, now driving. Dishes underneath. Bryson Williams dunks it to beat the shot clock. A wraparound pass from the left block. Deshaun Taylor with the penetration and ditch. He's the leading rebounder too with 6. Carter wants it in the block. Catches against Duncan. Crashes into him. Up with the left hand. Missed it. But dunked back in by Jaron Hopkins. Talk about good timing. What a putback flush by Jaron.